Nanjo Francisco reports. I have good news for Filipinos in Bahrain. Now, the Philippine Embassy, in collaboration with Al Hilal Medical Center, Manama Central, launched the Healthy Pinoy 2024 and Consular Outreach Mission on August 2, 2024 at the Al Hilal Medical Center, Manama branch. Now, the event drew hundreds of Filipinos, some of whom came as early as 4 a.m. just to take advantage of the free health services and consular assistance provided. Ambassador to Bahrain, Her Excellency Anne Halandoon Luis, welcomed the Filipinos as well as the management of Al Hilal Medical Center Manama branch. Now, also present during the event were Philippine Embassy officials and staff, along with Filipino Club President Rick Advincula. Now, the event provided health services such as blood pressure, BMI, blood tests, and free doctor's consultation for interpretation of test results. Now, consular services such as OWA, Pag-ibig, Migrant Workers Office, Overseas Voting Registration, as well as SSS and PhilHealth were also provided. Now, I'm going to show you some of the highlights of the event. Take a look. Kamusta na po kayo?
Ganda na naman ang ating documentation.
Oo. Ano to? FPT?
Ay, wala po. Naka-ano? Naka...
My TV.
Hello, Mr. Rick Adincola.
Hi, good morning.
Say ko lang din. Kumusta na po kayo? Kaway-kaway po na. Anong oras po kayo nandito? Anong oras po kayo kanina? Ba't po kayo nagpunta rito? Bakit po kayo nandito? Magpapa-check up. Good po.
May free check up kasi dito. May free check up. Kakain na. Pipirmahan po doon lahat tapos ibalik lang. Madali lang. Oo, mas wala ang passport ko.
Lourdes, tapos ka na?
until August 31. But the consular outreach mission is only today.
So, will there be any follow-up care or referrals provided for participants seeking further medical attention?
So the package that is being offered for free at the moment is just the blood test and medical consultation during the test. So if there are other follow-up check-ups that will be borne by the patient, and if they need financial assistance, we will see how we can assist them, particularly, for instance, if they are an active OWA member, then they might be able to avail of some benefits, but it's on a case-to-case basis.
Another question, how do you plan to measure the success and impact of the Healthy Pinoy Campaign 2024 in our community?
Well, I'm very glad with the turnout this morning. I was informed by the hospital that there were Filipinos here who came as early as 4 o'clock in the morning. So that shows the very keen interest of our kababayan to avail of these services. And I'm also glad that they are aware of what they can do to prevent diseases and to protect their health. No? So this is part of the health and wellness program of the embassy in order to promote the health of the Filipinos in the kingdom. Because health is very important. Health is wealth, no? How can we work if we are sick and if we have diseases, and then this will of course drain our financial resources. So we have to take care of ourselves, and preventive medicine is always the best. So we hope to maintain this in partnership with Al Hilal, and we hope that we would be able to do this annually, not only for this year.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
mo. Yeah. Okay lang. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Sis, tingin dito. Thank you. Salamat po sa pag-subscribe.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat, sa ating mga kapwa Pilipino dito sa Kingdom of Bahrain. Magandang umaga at mabuhay po. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta, pagsuporta dito po sa ating wellness campaign. So, welcome po sa Healthy Pinoy Campaign 2024 and Consular Outreach Mission in collaboration with Al Hilal Manama Central Branch. So, to formally start our short program, let us all welcome for his message, Mr. Onis Krishnan, SP, Head Marketing and Insurance at Al Hilal Medical Center.
Hi, good morning all. Anyway, I'll introduce myself. My name is Uni Krishnan, Head of Marketing and Insurance for Al Hilal Hospital and Medical Centers. On behalf of Al Hilal Hospital and Medical Centers, I would like to say it's a great privilege to organize such a very beautiful and well-organized medical checkup campaign on behalf of Her Excellency Ambassador and Embassy of Philippines. And we are really happy to associate with you. So it is our I consider more as a responsibility to organize such kind of health checkup events for the Filipino community. And here I just want to explain you the importance of this checkup campaign, because it is not like a regular campaign. Her Excellency Ambassador was really concerned about your health. She has suggested to cover maximum checkups to be included for your health and safety. So we are covering here sugar, cholesterol, BP, liver, kidney, even uric acid. We are covering all these checkups. Also, I would like to say that we are followed by this checkup. We are providing a free consultation with any specialist you want to consult. In this branch, we have all the specialties available, and we are working 24/7. Today you are doing this checkup, but from tomorrow onwards you can directly come and collect the medical checkup report from the lab, and you can consult which specialist you want to see. That also for free until the end of the month. Again, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank Her Excellency Ambassador and Filipino Embassy. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Oni Krishnan. So for the message, let us all welcome Her Excellency Ann Halandon Luis, Ambassador of the Philippines.
Good morning, magandang umaga ulit sa inyong lahat. Ako'y nagpapasalamat that you all came. Some of you very early. I was told by the hospital na meron na pumunta na alas 4 ng umaga. 4 o'clock in the morning. That really shows how important this is for you. But I would like to say, all of this would not have been possible without the cooperation and free offer of the Al Hilal management. So, salamat. And they were the ones who approached us, no? They know, meron na po tayong experience in partnership with Al Hilal, but ibang branches, in conducting a free medical camp. Based on that, they again proposed to the embassy of conducting another one, but dito sa branch na to, itong Al Hilal Manama Central Branch Medical Center. And I said, what can you offer to sa ating mga kababayan? And they said this free blood test, because it's very important to prevent yung paglala, ang onset of diseases. Preventive medicine is always best. So they offered this free blood test to screen your liver, your kidneys, blood sugar, very important. And I just want to note one very important test that they added. Mahal ito, no? And additional to pag pina-check mo sa ibang hospital, and that's your uric acid. Okay? Kasama po yun sa package niyo. No? And as they said, blood testing lang po today, and then you will be informed when your results will be available, and then you will also have a complimentary medical consultation para ma-interpret yung results na yun, no? And please inform your friends, your other Filipino contacts. As they said, this healthy campaign, this blood test na libre, is not only today. At hindi lang siya every Friday of August. It's every day from today, August 2, until August 31. No? So it's almost 1 month. Okay? So dun sa ibang Pilipino na hindi makapunta today because of work and other commitments, they will come on other days. They can just go to the reception sa lobby and present their CPR or passport and to say that they will avail of the Healthy Pinoy campaign blood test and they will be accommodated. According to them, it's from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. The medical center is open. Okay. So, bakit natin ito ginagawa? No, for me, as I was telling, I think, Nadjo, no? We have our obligations, no, to ourselves. I think yung pinakauna, for me, of course, pinakauna, make sure you have legal and valid documents, no? Kasi hindi natin bansa ito, di ba? Dayuhan tayo dito. We are here with a host country. We must make sure that we have legal status, we have valid documents, and that's your passport and your visa. But I think the next very important thing is to take care of your health. Okay? Kasi bakit nga ba kayo nagpangibang bansa? Diba? Para magtrabaho, para kumita, to help support your families. How will you do that if you are sick? Diba? How will you do that if your health is failing? You will not be able to do that. So that's why the embassy has a health and wellness program precisely to promote the health of the members of the Filipino community here in the Kingdom of Bahrain. And we are very thankful. Taos-puso po tayo nagpapasalamat that we have partners like Al Hilal who are willing to offer these free medical services. And shortly, we are going to officially launch the logo of the Healthy Pinoy campaign for the Filipinos in the Kingdom of Bahrain. And another good news, the Al Hilal, and they again mentioned it just now, reiterating their commitment to partner with the Philippine Embassy in having this every year. Okay? Every year. So if we did it August, if August next year is convenient, if the schedule is convenient for us and for them, we will do it again in August. So that the Filipinos here in the Kingdom will know, basta August, kada taon, merong Healthy Pinoy campaign. Okay? So we are very thankful for this and nagpapasalamat ako. Humihingi rin ako ng pasensya, especially those na nag-antay ng matagal kaninang umaga. No? I know that you were waiting in a queue, medyo natagalan yung registration, yung pila sa blood test, you know. But I told the team that when we tell the Filipinos it will start at 7, please expect that they will be there earlier, no? And that they will come. Talagang pupunta yung mga yan, no? So, but anyway, they have accommodated us, they made arrangements. Maraming salamat. Another thing, they have given us use of this facility. As you can see, walang consultations ng ibang pasyente, ng ibang doktor. They have made the second floor available for our use, no? So nagpapasalamat tayo. At the same time, the embassy is conducting a consular outreach mission. So sa hindi pa po nakakaalam, nandito po yung ating MWO, Migrant Workers Office, led by OIC Celia Cabadonga, yung ating OWA, led by Welfare Officer Dong Adel. Dong Adel, yan. Yung hindi po nakakilala na ating Welfare Officer, ito po siya, si Dr. Amelito Adel. He's a medical doctor. Okay. And meron din po tayong SSS sa gustong mag-avail ng services, gustong mag-inquire about your SSS membership. Meron tayong SSS, kumuha lang po ng number. We also have registration for overseas voting. Pakisabi lang po sa mga kaibigan nyo, September 30, 2024, last day for registration as overseas voter for the 2025 national elections. Okay? So kung hindi pa po kayo naka-register, nandito na po kami, mag-register na po kayo. Okay. We also partnered with PhilHealth at Pag-ibig kung sa road na yun. They're online, virtual. Kung gusto niyo po mag-tanong about Pag-ibig and PhilHealth, the team, PhilHealth and Pag-ibig team from Manila are with us online. Pwede po kayo mag-video conference call. Okay? At kung may iba pa kayong katanungan sa mga services ng embassy, pwede kayo magtanong. Kami po lahat with nakapulang t-shirt. Kasama din po natin sa team sa umaga na to si Consul Brian, Les Fabio na tumutulong at lahat ng embassy team. Okay, so maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta. Kung meron kayong mga ibang kilala na hindi nakapunta ngayong araw for the Healthy Pinoy campaign, please tell them to come back. Wala na pong excuse na isang buwan na po ito. Okay? So walang excuse na hindi magpa-check up. Okay, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Ambassador. And let us also welcome for his message, Mr. Shafil Rajhed Al-Hilal Manamisel.
Hello, good morning to all. First of all, I'll thank Her Excellency coming forward and partnering with us for this event. When you came first, we never thought that this event will be such huge, successful event. We were not expecting these many people will be committed to come at this time, in the morning. I heard that Mr. Naufal called me at, around 6 a.m. He told me that people are here, please come, please arrange, We usually conduct camp and people do come, but they come in, little bit delayed at 9:30 or so. So we were expecting, we were expected, you will be there by 7, but no. All people were here, we are happy to see. And it is very well organized from the embassy part. We have seen that your counselors are on time. They came, they have arranged everything, they have organized, and people are getting the services which they were expecting. So from our end, it is huge success. From your end also, I believe it's a huge success. And as Her Excellency explained, we are happy that she announced that every year, even next year, Healthy Pinoy. Maybe Healthy Pinoy with new logo, and we will release it, and we will be conducting such event in future also, which is really beneficial for the people here who is attending this event. And as she explained, what are the tests we are doing, it is really helpful. You will come to know at least what is your health status, as we all are expats. We don't know, we come here, we work and we go home. We send money at home and we don't look after our health. We send money at home and we look after our families. But these are the free camps which you can can utilize, which is of free of cost. So you will be getting the benefit of knowing what is your status, health status, you know. On top of it, you are getting free consultation also. So you can see the doctor also, you can tell the doctor what other things you are having, you know. Not only related to this blood result. You can tell what are the problems you are facing, you know, if you have any other disease or anything. So doctor is there, we have 25 plus doctors. 25 plus doctors in heart of Manama, you can come anytime. We are 24/7 available. And you know, access is very good, you know, any part of Bahrain, you can reach here by bus. Manama Central Station, it's almost just like, you know, 10 meters from our medical center, and we have parking. If you have car, you can come here also. So it is really one of the best event we had here, and we are very happy to be part of this event. And we would like to really thank from bottom of heart to Her Excellency to coming up on this occasion and helping us. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
So muli, maraming salamat. Shukran jazilan for Al Hilal for the assistance po. And now, gusto ko namin i-launch the Healthy Pinoy campaign logo that we will be using every year. So ito po ang ating magiging logo every year for this activity in collaboration with Al Hilal. And of course, we also would like to request from the Filipino community representative to provide a response, Mr. Rick Advintula, Filipino Number.
Thank you. Good morning, Amba. Good morning to all the management of Al Hilal and to all the kabayans. Magandang umaga. So, I'm here to speak on behalf of the Filipino community, and we would like to extend our heartfelt appreciation, of course, to Her Excellency, the Philippine Embassy, and to the management of Al Hilal for giving us this opportunity for the Filipino community na magkaroon ng healthy Pinoy check. Imagine nyo, like Amba was discussing, ang daming services na pinubay para sa atin. So, I hope you will grab this opportunity not only today, but also to extend this invitation sa ating mga kapamilya, sa ating mga community, that dahil itong program na to is running from today until August 31. So, malaking opportunity na makalibre tayo ng mga services na ganito. It's important to take care of our health. It's important to take care of our community health-wise so that we can also become a better Filipino community in Bahrain. So, maraming salamat Amba, to the Philippine Embassy officers and staff, to the MWO, to OWA, and of course to all the Filipinos who came today. And lastly, thank you very much Al Hilal for this opportunity and continued support. And Filipino club and Filipino community, we really appreciate all your help that you do to our community, and I know that there will be more blessings that will come to you, to your organization or institution, and from the bottom of us, thank you very much. Shukran. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rick.
I would just like to add my thanks. As G mentioned, the logo, I requested Butch Pahe, a member of Filipino Creatives Bahrain, to come up with a logo, and he produced it beautifully. So hopefully that will be recognizable as the logo each year. Papalitan lang natin yung year. So next year will be 2025, and that all Filipinos will know that every August, every year, meron ito, with the Embassy and Al-Hilal. And I would also like to thank the members of the Filipino community media who are here covering the event. Nanjo of Pinoy Action News, Jeff Reyes, Sam, and for the Sam and Chris podcast. So I know we invited our other bloggers and influencers and members of the media to come and cover this event as well, so that more information will be disseminated. Our aim is that malaman ng lahat ng members ng Filipino community ito, so that they will come and avail of these services. So at this point, we would like to extend our appreciation to the Al-Hilal management by presenting them a certificate of appreciation, which will be read by Jumal.
So we would like to present the certificate of appreciation is awarded to the Al-Hilal Medical Center, Manama Central Branch, for collaborating with the Embassy on the holding of the Healthy Pinoy campaign from August 2 to August 31, 2024, and for accommodating the conduct of the Embassy's consular outreach mission at the Al-Hilal Medical Center, Manama Central Branch, Manama, Kingdom of Bahrain on August 2, 2024, given this 2nd day of August 2024 in Manama, Kingdom of Bahrain. Signed, Her Excellency Angela Don Luis, Ambassador.
Salamat po. Kung wala sila, we will not have this medical mission.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Muli, maraming salamat po sa Al-Hilal at maraming salamat din po sa ating mga kababayan na nagpunta support sa aking iniwan ng Al-Hilal.
Consul Brian. After this lang ng taga-embassy. Yes,
Well, that's it for now. But before I go, please like, follow, and subscribe to Nadia Francisco Reports. And don't forget to hit that bell button so that you'll be notified about our latest videos. Until then, thank you for watching. Bye!